Axie Infinity value equivalent to $10,900 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 10 at $0.17,653.11.47. The earlier day close, 10 at 28.192. The change was plus 0.78, plus 0.65%. Backwards rate, Ice to Axie. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 0.86 coins. Excessive costs in 86, while lows in 70. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.79. The Ice to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.74, change for June 14%. Ice to Axie expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.74 coins. Exorbitant costs were 95, while lows on 74. The found the middle value of cost on 83. The Ice to Axie gauge toward the month's ends on 89, change for July 20%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.89 coins. Exorbitant costs on 89, while lows on 71. The found the middle value of cost on 81. The Ice to Axie estimate toward the month's end zone 76, change for August 14.6%. Ice to Axie expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.76 coins. Exorbitant costs on 76, while lows on 62. The found the middle value of cost 0.70. The Ice to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.66, change for September 13.2%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for October 2024. To start with cost at 0.66 coins. Exorbitant costs on 66, while lows on 53. The found the middle value of cost 0.61. The Ice to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.57, change for October 13.6%. Ice to Axie expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 0.57 coins. Excessive costs on 61, while lows on 53. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 57. The Ice to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.57, change for November 0%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 0.57 coins. Excessive costs 0.59, while lows on 51. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 56. The Ice to Axie conjecture toward the month's end at 55, change for December 3.5%. Ice to Axie expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.55 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.58, while lows and 51. The found the middle value of cost 0.55. The Ice to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.54, change for January 1.8%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.54 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.56, while lows on 49. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 53. The Ice to Axie figure toward the month's end 52, change for February 3.7%. Ice to Axie expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 0.52 coins. Excessive costs 55, while lows on 47. The arrived at the midpoint of cost in 51. The Ice to Axie figure toward the month's ends in 51, change for spring 19%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 0.51 coins. Excessive costs on 54, while lows on 47. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 51. The Ice to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.50, change for April 2%. Ice to Axie expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 0.50 coins. Exorbitant costs 52, while lows on 45. The found the middle value of cost of 49. The Ice to Axie gauge toward the month's end on 49, change for May 2%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for June 2025. At the outset cost at 0.49 coins. Excessive costs 51, while lows are at 44. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 48. The Ice to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.47, change for June 1%. Ice to Axie expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at 0.47 coins. Excessive costs aim 47, while lows in 38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 43. The Ice to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.41, change for July 12.8%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.41 coins. Exorbitant costs in 51, while lows on 41. They found the middle value of cost to 45. The oyster Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.47, change for August 14.6%. Oyster Axie expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 0.47 coins. Excessive costs earn 60, while lows earn 47. They arrived at the midpoint of cost earn 53. The oyster Axie figure toward the month's end 0.56, change for September 19.1%. Dollar to Axie infinity figure for October 2025. Before all else cost at 0.56 coins. Excessive costs are 72, while lows earn 56. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 63. The oyster Axie figure toward the month's NZ 67, change for October 19.6%. Oyster Axie expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 0.67 coins. Exorbitant costs are 81, while lows earn 67. They found the middle value of cost on 73. The oyster Axie gauge toward the month's end 75, change for November 11.9%. Dollar to Axie infinity gauge for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.75 coins. Excessive costs are on 96, while lows on 75. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 84. The oyster Axie figure toward the month's ends on 90, change for December 20%. Oyster Axie expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 0.90 coins. Excessive costs are 90, while lows on 72. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 82. The oyster Axie figure toward the month's end zone 77, change for January 14.4%. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at 0.77 coins. Excessive costs are 77, while lows on 62. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 71. The oyster Axie conjecture toward the month's Enzo 67, change for February 13%. Oyster Axie expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 0.67 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 67, while lows now 54. They found the middle value of cost 61. The oyster Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.57, change for spring 14.9%. Dollar to Axie infinity gauge for April 2026. In the first place cost at 0.57 coins. Exorbitant costs 57, while lows on 46. They found the middle value of cost 52. The oyster Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.49, change for April 14%. Oyster Axie expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at 0.49 coins. Excessive costs 0.49, while lows on 40. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.45. The oyster